Already have a form on your website but struggling with storing and managing submissions? You don't need to set up a database or write custom backend code. Formester's backend only feature will take care of it for you. Just connect your existing form and Formester will securely store every submission, filter out spam, and send real-time notifications. Plus, you can integrate your form with third-party tools such as Google Sheets, Slack, or Zapier to automate your workflows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the backend only feature in Formester. So without any ado, let's get started. So I'm in my Formester dashboard. Now to set up the backend only feature, simply click on new form. And here you will find this option. Click on backend only. And this will create a backend only form, which we can rename. And here we have three different ways to integrate your forms with Formester's backend. First, if you already have an existing form, simply copy this code and update the action in your form tag. Then whenever someone submits the form, Formester's backend will start receiving the submission. If you don't have a form already, you can use this code. And if you want to allow file uploads, you can use this. And if you want to integrate through JavaScript, you can use this endpoint and make the post request. Now let's connect an existing form with Formester's backend using the first method. So I have created a basic contact us form in Google Sites with custom HTML and CSS code. Now to connect this form to Formester's backend, all I have to do is simply update the form tag with a specific action that is pointing to Formester's backend. Let's copy this code and now let's update this code and press save. Let's publish this. And let's carry out a test submission. And as you can see, once the submission is successfully complete, Formester will show a custom thank you message. Now to see your submissions, simply head over to the submission tab in Formester, and here you will be able to see the submission. You can edit the submission, you can share an edit link, you can also mark this as a spam, and even export this as a CSV file. Now, if you're dealing with spam submissions, you can use Formester's backend to filter out spam. Simply head over to reCAPTCHA, and here you will find three different options. You can keep it disabled, or you can use a simple reCAPTCHA, or you can use an advanced reCAPTCHA, which will allow you to create a spam redirection. So if Formester finds it to be a spam, it will redirect it to a specific URL. And you can also create a reCAPTCHA secret using Google and to verify your users on your website. And Formester also has an AI spam protection, which you can find under settings. This will filter out any kind of spam using an AI trained model. Now, another amazing thing about Formester is that it can easily integrate with thousands of third-party tools to help you automate your workflows, such as sending your email notifications or integrating with your CRM software to automatically populate the fields using the form data. And if you go to email notifications, here you can set up self-email notifications and notify your team members whenever a new form submission takes place. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found this to be valuable. If you want to test out this feature, make sure to use the link in the description. As always, I will see you in the next one.